Coming to another interesting fact about this gorgeous flower is, surprisingly, it has no fragrance. Yes, but it does attract lots of pollinators like bees and birds, which makes your garden even more lively and chirpy. Who wouldn't love these eye-catching vibrant orange flowers in the garden, especially when it attracts pollinators like bees and birds? A must-grow flowering vine which will romanticize your garden for sure. Have you ever seen these gorgeous bright orange flowers before? If not, then stay tuned because I'm going to talk about this flowering creeper in detail. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. So friends, this gorgeous flowering vine is flame vine, which is also known by several names like golden shower, firecracker, and Sankrant bale, and its scientific name is Pyrostegia Venusta. It comes in orange color only and it's a flowering creeper, so it needs some support to climb and spread. I planted this creeper in the garden about 7 years back and it has covered the entire grill on the top. As you can see, it has spread so nicely. I keep on pruning it properly every year once its flowering season is over. It blooms from late December till mid-April. Along with these orange flowering vine, I have planted one more creeper which blooms with these hanging flowers, and this has also covered the same grill, but I've planted it on the other side. And this flower, the hanging one, it remains on the plant for about 3 to 4 months once it blooms. So on the same grill at the entrance you can see two flowering creepers, the orange one which is flame vine and the hanging flower which is Thunbergia cochineum. I have shared a detailed video on Thunbergia cochineum, please do check it. Link is there in the description box. Flame vine grows really fast and since it's a creeper so you really need to keep pruning it on regular basis to keep it maintained. And pruning is one of the tricks to get more flowers on this plant. Pruning encourages more branches, which means more flowers. Other than pruning, there are two more things which promotes flowering in this plant. First is full direct sunlight. Yes, at least for 4 to 5 hours of sunlight, whether it's grown in garden or in pot. And second thing is adding compost to it along with the soft pruning. You can add vermicompost or cow dung manure or even DAP along with soft pruning in the early winters. So direct sunlight, pruning and fertilizing along with regular watering are the tips to get more flowers in this plant. Coming to another interesting fact about this gorgeous flower is, surprisingly, it has no fragrance. Yes, but it does attract lots of pollinators like bees and birds, which makes your garden even more lively and chirpy. So basically, orange and yellow color flowers attract more of pollinators. So if you grow vegetables also in your garden, adding more flowers with yellow and orange colors, it is highly recommended to attract more pollinators, means more fruits will grow in your garden. And I think yellow and orange flowers in the garden makes it look even more colorful, right? Coming to the last point about this plant is you can grow this plant in pots also. Just choose a bigger size pot, at least 18 to 20 inches pot, or you can grow them in tubs as well. And yes, you can grow this plant from cutting also very easily in monsoon. Just make sure to choose a thicker stem for propagation. I hope you liked today's video, and its flowering season will get over in about a month. So go visit a nursery. You may get this plant at cheaper price. Get it pruned nicely, and by monsoon it will start growing properly, nicely, and maybe by next season you'll get to see lots many flowers on your plant. Try to grow them in the garden if you have garden space. If not, grow them in bigger size pots, at least 18 to 20 inches pot. That's all for today, and I will come up soon with one more interesting video. See you soon. Bye bye.